Are you ready to take your college football start to the NFL? In this video, I will show you how to transfer your custom player from Road to Glory in EA Sports College Football 25 straight into Superstar mode in all new Madden NFL 25. First thing first, your Road to Glory player need to be eligible for the NFL draft. This usually happen either at the end of the year 3 or year 4 of your college career. Once eligible, go to the Action tab in the Road to Glory menu. Select Leave for NFL. You will be given two options: retire from the college football or export your player to Maiden. Choose to export. Now it's time to switch over to Maiden NFL 25. From the main menu, launch Superstar mode. Select the same position as your exported college player. Then choose Import to confirm the transfer. Next, you will customize your avatar and use creation points to boost your skill. Depending on your college performance, you can earn between 1 to 5 creation points. And just like that, you are ready to start your NFL journey. In Superstar mode, it all begins with the NFL Combine. You will complete in mini games and drill to prove your path, prove your oath. Your performance at the Combine directly affects your NFL draft position. Do well and you will be picked by a top team. Once drafted, your climb to football stardom begins, all inside Maiden NFL 25. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips.